Welcome to Fruey's Bakes and Breaks. Today we're doing a really simple sweet potato. So I have one here, just poking some holes with a fork. How many holes you poke is not really super important, but I try to go all around. You don't have to go too crazy though. That's for steam purposes, and we're gonna wrap it up. It's gonna go in the oven, 450 for about an hour. So maybe use a little. It's pretty good. I think I'm gonna say it's good. And that one, let me see how quickly the knife slid right in. That's what we want to see. So we'll give these a little bit. Potatoes, scoop out the insides. Throw in our Ninja here. You know it looks good when it's kind of like wet. Looks kind of weird, but anyway. It's obviously super hot, or maybe not, but it's steaming if you can't tell. So I'm gonna regret that. All right, gloves after all. Scooping this out could be tricky. Ah, perfect. So you can see the skin peel right off. That's perfect. That's what we want. I'm gonna put this right into our Ninja. And it's not the emotion, just the way I use it. I use quite often. Okay. And doing this, so I'm not gonna chat the whole time since it's gonna be dull, but we're gonna keep going. We'll use them together. Looks like we're running out of space. So I'm gonna give this a buzz. Just a moment. That didn't work. It could be that the potato is not fully done, but I'm gonna take the chance to kind of smush what's in there and just try and get the rest into the Ninja if we can. Hopefully this isn't a huge catastrophe. But yeah, we shall see. We're not on the floor. I can't honestly, well, one of my videos earlier, things seemed to go extremely well. Normally I have my issues. So I guess this is that. The good part of these is, unlike mashed potatoes, which if you did this would kind of make them really gummy, you can just destroy these in a food processor in the Ninja. So we'll just keep at it. Okay, got bunches here. I'm gonna add a little milk to it. Otherwise, catastrophe in real time. Otherwise, yeah, we might just have it not be as smooth as it can be. That's a loss I might be willing to take. Alright, I don't want to completely ruin my Ninja, and it feels like that's possible at this point. It's pretty blended. I like it a certain way. It's not at that level, but it's enough that it'll still be pretty good. So we're just gonna dump this in. I actually can see some chunks in here that didn't get blended up as good as possible. So I wouldn't call it a failure by any means, but it didn't come out perfect. And depending on you as a person, you might be disappointed. That's really, really good. So that's pretty smooth, smoother than I expected. All right, I think we're done. Yeah, pretty easy recipe, although it seemed to not be as simple as I would have preferred. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.